Hey everyone! So I tried to get a new job at Formlabs, you know, the company that helped me make a toilet mirror. Well, for some reason, they didn't want me. So instead, I'm going to spend all my remaining money traveling the world to spread awareness of the Good Inventions brand and hopefully get me a new job. I'm going to hide these little guys all over the world with unique barcodes along the side for you to find. If you can find one of my Good Inventions logos with the coordinates provided, I'll ship you a Good Inventions t-shirt of your choice for free. Let's get traveling. Well, I ran out of money, so I hid the rest of them in Boston. They might not be there anymore because I hid them like 8 months ago, but feel free to go check. If nobody claims the logos by the end of the month, I'll give free t-shirts to the first 5 people who ask for one in the comments. Good hunting, everybody.